Action.
What is up, guys? We are here at Diamond Head State Monument. We are going to take you guys to the top of the trail. And you guys are coming with us. Let's start that off. What is up, guys? We are here at Diamond Head State Monument.
I'm probably going to have to do a different intro.
We are going today to the top of the trail, and we are taking you. What is up, guys? It is early morning. We are in Honolulu, Hawaii. We are about to go to the top of Diamond Head and try to catch the sunrise. I don't know because it's kind of late, but we are headed out there. So we will catch up with you guys when we get to the site. Yeah, let's go, guys.
As we pass through the tunnel into the crater of this long dormant volcano, you can see that the skies are still dark and twinkling with stars above the horizon.
Out here hiking in the early morning.
The air is cool, fresh, and crisp, with a gentle breeze that carries the scent of sea salt and tropical flowers. We start our hike relying on just the lights from our phone to illuminate the path. As we scaled to the summit, we talked about the Hawaiian night marchers, who were the spirits of ancient warriors who dressed in full regalia and carried weapons, who roamed the islands at night. They're said to follow ancient paths and sacred rites, with those who see them are forced to either join them or march and face a terrible fate. Some say they are a warning to outsiders to respect the land and its history, while others believe that they are guardians of ancient ways, keeping watch over Hawaii's rich cultural heritage. Regardless of their true nature, the night marchers remain an eerie, awe-inspiring piece of Hawaiian folklore, reminding us of the deep spiritual connections that run through these lands. Pillboxes that were built into Diamond Head were built around 1943 during World War II, constructed by the military as part of the island's coastal defense system in response to fears of potential attacks by Japanese forces. For more views, make sure you subscribe. With awe-inspiring views of Hawaii, the summit of Diamond Head Trail offers a breathtaking panoramic of the Pacific Ocean and Oahu's southern coastline. Visitors can witness the beauty of Waikiki, the bustling city of Honolulu, and the stunning turquoise waters surrounding the island. The trail itself, it is an exhilarating challenge with steep inclines and an uneven terrain, but the reward at the top is well worth the effort. From the summit, one can truly appreciate natural wonders of the Hawaiian Islands and the remarkable beauty of Mother Nature. Because of a few different factors, we were not able to catch the clearest sunrise. However, remember these tips when hunting for the perfect sunrise for yourself. Number 1, make sure you check the weather. Clear skies and minimal cloud cover are ideal conditions for a beautiful sunrise. Number 2, know the location. Research the best spots in your area to catch the sunrise and arrive early to secure a good spot. Number 3, bring the right equipment. A camera or a camera phone, tripod, comfortable clothing, all these things are important things to consider when preparing to catch a sunrise. Number 4, be patient. Sunrises can be unpredictable, so it's important to be patient and wait for the perfect moment to catch the beauty of the sunrise. Number 5, and most important, enjoy the moment. Don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the sunrise and the peace and serenity that comes with it. On our way back down the mountain, a few things to take into consideration about the Diamond Head hike is that, number 1, the trail is approximately 0.8 miles long and the elevation gain is about 560 feet. The peak of Diamond Head is about 761 feet above sea level. The trail is relatively short, but hikers should be prepared for a moderate level of difficulty due to the steep incline and the uneven terrain. Additionally, it is important to note that this hike is largely exposed to the sun, so proper sun protection and hydration are essential. So with all that in mind, the average hiker can expect to complete Diamond Head hike in about 1 to 2 hours depending on their pace and level of physical fitness. As a wrap up, Diamond Head Trail is an absolutely stunning location and it is a must-do for anyone visiting the island of Oahu. If you are coming out to see the sunrise, you might want to make sure you bring a hoodie or a jacket because the air does get a little bit crisp in the morning. And the admission is $5 per person and $15 per car. And of course, Kama'aina is always free. With that being said, join us next week as we cruise up to the North Shore and get some kahuku shrimp.